Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and what a cool home we have for you today. 3 Ethel Street has been in the same ownership for the last 30 years, and it's such a great opportunity for you to create your next family home right here in Kingsland. What a pleasure it is to introduce this impeccably presented villa. Seclusion, sunshine, and so many fabulous features are waiting to wow you, and we can't wait to open the front door and welcome you in. Beautiful character features have been retained throughout, and there's exciting scope to plan your own improvements with huge opportunity to continue to add value in this sought after location. The 3 bedrooms and the bathroom all flow off a central hall, as does the open plan dining and living. The kitchen and sunroom are at the rear of the home, through which you step out onto the north facing back deck and soak up all the gorgeous views to the city and of course all that lovely sunshine. The garden is a green thumb's dream, with space for vegetables and well-established fruit trees, bringing back many of my childhood memories. Car lovers will be delighted by the parking options, with a single garage and room off street for several other vehicles. And the central location is so hard to beat. Amazing coffee is just across the road at Okra, and the ever popular Petit Bocal is only a few doors down. Kingsland Village and Morningside Precinct are both great options, with more fabulous food and entertaining options, and are an easy walk. And of course, Westfield St Luke's and Eden Park are just as close. Excellent transport options with great access to trains and buses. There's such huge potential on offer here, and we cannot wait to show you through. So make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes, or give us a call and arrange a private viewing. We look forward to seeing you here.